Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way with TwiJuniorPro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have one person that needed something translated, and this is Daniel, right? Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to find out was how to say try it and see, or try in TWI, right? And that in TWI can be said as sohwe. Again, sohwe. One last time, sohwe. So try it again, or just try in TWI is sohwe. Now the second thing that Daniel wanted to find out was, he wanted to know what Yede, bema, deen actually meant in English. Again, Yede, bema, deen. Again, Yede, bema, deen. One last time, Yede, bema, deen. Now that in English can be said as, we will give it to who, or we will give it to which one. Again, we will give it to who, or we will give it to which one. Guys, sorry again for the outside noise. I'm outside, I don't have control over it. So again, we will give it to who, or we will give it to which one. Now that again in TWI is Yede, bema, deen. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, bring one more. Again, bring one more. Now that in TWI can be said as sama me baako. Again, sama me baako. Again, sama me baako. One last time, sama me baako. Baako in English is actually one, right? So again, sama me baako. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, is it by force? Again, is it by force? Now that in TWI can be said as nhye. Again, nhye. Again, nhye. One last time, nhye. Slower, nhye. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, how so? Again, how so? Now how so in TWI can be said as seseng. Again, seseng. One last time, seseng. Slower, seseng. So again, seseng in English would be how so. The next thing that Daniel wanted to find out was, so Daniel wanted to know what Ɔsahene actually meant in English. I think I've done this before, right? Osa in TWI is actually war, right? Hene is king or chief. So literally translated, you be the chief or king of war, right? Or a great warrior. So again, Ɔsahene is a great warrior or a chief of war or king of war. And one can actually say conqueror or great warrior as well, right? Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I don't feel like it. Again, I don't feel like it. Now that in TWI can be said as Makoma nimu. Again, Makoma nimu. Again, Makoma nimu. One last time, Makoma nimu. So if you say Makoma nimu, that actually means I'm not interested, or I don't have the desire for it, right? So again, Makoma nimu. Slower, Makoma nimu. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to find out was, I rebuke it. Again, I rebuke it. Now that in TWI can be said as meka nenim. Again, meka nenim. One last time, meka nenim. Slower, meka nenim. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Guys, today's lesson was a bit short because I only had like 8 translations from Daniel. The more I get, the longer it gets, but just remember, I can only accommodate 16 per lesson, right? So thanks again for your continued support, everyone. I really appreciate it. I know this video should have been out by Monday, but I was busy doing some other things and work, right? So hence it's actually out on Tuesday, so forgive me for that. But usually all my videos will come out on Mondays. Worst case scenario, you'll find it on Tuesday, right? So again, guys, if you like the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications, right? And guys, if you know anyone who wants to learn TWI or is interested in learning TWI, right, please direct them to this channel, right? Worst case scenario, they'll go through the content. If they enjoy it, they'll join the family. If not, at least they would have actually come to the channel and actually looked at it and, well, didn't find it interesting enough, right? Please remember, go to Google Store, right? Go get the TwiJuniorPro app. With that and this channel, you learn TWI quicker. And remember, guys, I think my logo has changed, so it's not my face anymore. It's now the TwiJuniorPro emblem. So when you see that, don't be scared. It's still me. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.